Hi, I'm Stu Clark, Research Director at TERRO, and today we're talking mosquito control. I want to show you the latest product under the TERRO brand, the TERRO No Mess Mosquito Larvacide Pouches. Now remember, a mosquito is kind of like a butterfly. It goes through a whole metamorphosis, and one of the life stages is a larvae that lives in water, and that's what we're going after today. So any standing water around your house, we're talking bird baths, we're talking ponds, rain barrels, gutters. You really have to do a little survey. So anywhere we have standing water, we need to put down a larvicide. And what's great about the No Mess Mosquito Larvacide Pouches is that they're so easy to apply. You simply drop them in, and the pouch dissolves immediately and starts to work and keeps working for 2 months. So with 10 pouches, you've got plenty to protect your home and your family. It's safe to use around kids and pets, no problem. All it does is go after mosquito larvae. And if you can kill the mosquito larvae at that point, you don't have adult mosquitoes out to bite you. TERRO No Mess Mosquito Larvacide Pouches. It works.